Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Renault 2.0 Dci engine, specifically known by its internal code M9R, is a highly regarded four-cylinder, common rail, turbocharged diesel engine developed by the Renault-Nissan Alliance. Introduced in 2005, it quickly gained a reputation for being a significantly more robust and reliable unit compared to some of its predecessors, like the early 1.9 Dci and 1.5 Dci versions. It was designed to be a workhorse, providing strong performance and durability, and was widely used across a broad range of Renault and Nissan vehicles, including passenger cars, SUVs, and commercial vans. Mercedes-Benz also used this engine in some of its models, particularly the C-Class and Vito, under its own OM 626 designation. History and versions. Introduction: 2005, first seen in the Renault Laguna 2. Power outputs. The M9R came in various power outputs to suit different vehicle types and market demands, typically ranging from 130 HP, 96 kilowatts, 150 HP, 110 kilowatts, very common and popular version, 175 HP, 129 kilowatts, a higher output variant, 180 HP, 132 kilowatts, often found in GT line or sportier versions, 200 HP, 147 kilowatts, in later Blue DCI versions, offering even higher performance. Continuous updates. Over its lifespan, the M9R received updates to meet Euro 4, Euro 5, and later Euro 6 emission standards, incorporating features like diesel particulate filters, DPF, and selective catalytic reduction, SCR, AdBlue, technology in the Blue DCI versions. Balanced shafts were included in some versions to reduce vibrations. Key applications: Renault Laguna 2, 3, Megane 2, 3, Koleos, eSpace 4V, Grand Scenic 2, 3, 4, Latitude, Talisman, Traffic 2, 3, Nissan Qashqai 1, 2, X-Trail 1, 2, Primastar, Vauxhall/Opel, Vivaro, shared platform with Traffic, Mercedes-Benz C-Class, W204, E-Class, W212, Vito/Viano as OM 626. Review and opinions. The 2.0 Dci M9R is widely considered one of Renault's most successful and reliable modern diesel engines. Praised for durability and longevity. Many owners report high mileage, 200,000 km plus, with proper maintenance. Strong performance. Provides ample power and torque, making cars feel effortless on the highway and capable for towing or carrying heavy loads. Refinement. Operates smoothly and quietly for a diesel engine, especially compared to many competitors of its era. Good economy for its power. Strikes a good balance between performance and fuel efficiency. Advantages: robust design, engineered for durability, a significant improvement over earlier Renault diesels. Timing chain. Uses a timing chain, which is generally a fit-and-forget component, reducing maintenance costs compared to timing belts. Though, as detailed below, it's not entirely without considerations at very high mileage. Excellent torque. Delivers strong pulling power from low RPMs, making it pleasant to drive. Versatility. Successfully used in a wide range of vehicles from family cars to large vans. Common rail technology. Ensures efficient fuel delivery and combustion. Disadvantages. Complexity of modern diesels. Like all modern diesels, it features complex systems, common rail, turbo, DPF, EGR, AdBlue, that can be expensive to repair if they fail. DPF sensitivity. If primarily used for short urban journeys, the diesel particulate filter can clog, requiring forced regenerations or costly cleaning/replacement. Higher fuel consumption than smaller diesels. While efficient for its power, it won't match the absolute lowest consumption figures of the 1.5 Dci. Potential for injector seizure, particularly in earlier van applications, Traffic, Vivaro, Primastar. Injectors could become seized in the cylinder head due to water ingress, making removal extremely difficult and costly. This seems less prevalent in passenger car applications, possibly due to better underbonnet sealing. Common faults and breakdowns. While generally reliable, the M9R can exhibit some common issues, particularly as it ages or if maintenance is neglected. Injector problems. While not as universally problematic as some earlier diesel injectors, the M9R can suffer from faulty or seized injectors. Early piezo injectors, pre-2009, were reportedly more prone to failure than later solenoid types. Seizure in the cylinder head, especially in vans, is a known issue. Symptoms include rough idle, misfires, smoke, and starting difficulties. EGR valve clogging. Common for most diesels, the exhaust gas recirculation, EGR, valve can get clogged with carbon deposits, leading to reduced performance, warning lights, and increased emissions. Regular cleaning can help. Turbocharger issues. Turbocharger failures can occur, but often due to neglected oil changes or high mileage rather than a fundamental design flaw. Symptoms include loss of power, whistling noises, and excessive smoke. Timing chain wear. High mileage. While a chain is generally durable at very high mileages, e.g. 250,000 km plus, or if oil changes were insufficient, the timing chain and or its tensioners can wear, leading to rattling noises and potentially requiring replacement. Autodoc suggests a replacement interval of 150,000 kilometers for the timing chain for some versions of the Traffic, indicating it's not entirely maintenance-free over its entire life. Dual mass flywheel, DMF, failure. Common on manual transmission models, especially with aggressive driving or high mileage. Symptoms include clutch pedal vibrations, difficulty shifting, and rattling noises at idle. Water pump issues. Some reports of premature water pump failure, leading to coolant leaks and overheating. It's often recommended to check/replace the water pump when other major front-of-engine work is done. Oil pump. Less common, some very isolated reports of oil pump issues, though this is not a widespread known fault. Fuel consumption. The 2.0 Dci offers a good balance of power and efficiency. Real-world fuel consumption depends on the vehicle and driving style. Passenger cars, Megane, Laguna mixed driving typically sees figures between 6.0 to 7.5 L/100 km. On long highway runs, it can drop to 5.0 to 6.0 L/100 km. City driving can push it to 7.5 to 9.0 L/100 km. Larger vehicles/vans, e-Space, Coleos, Traffic due to their weight and aerodynamics, figures will be higher. Mixed driving for a Traffic might be around 7.0 to 9.0 L/100 km, potentially higher in urban cycles. Timing. The Renault 2.0 Dci M9R engine uses a timing chain. This is a key advantage as it typically does not require scheduled replacement like a timing belt. However, as noted, at very high mileages, or if maintenance has been poor, chain stretch or tensioner work can occur. Listening for rattling noises from the front of the engine, especially on cold startup, can be an indicator of timing chain issues. While some sources suggest a check/replacement interval for the chain, it's generally considered far more durable than a belt. Oil type. The M9R engine typically requires specific low ash, low SAPs engine oils to protect the diesel particulate filter, DPF. For engines with a DPF, Euro 4, 5, 6, the most common specification is Renault RN0720, usually ACEA C4, 5W30 viscosity. For early versions without a DPF, Renault RN0710, ACEA A3/B4 or C3, 5W40, might have been specified. For newer Blue DCI versions, later Renault RN specifications, e.g. RN17, or other low SAPs oils might be required. Always check the owner's manual. Oil capacity generally ranges from 6.0 to 7.5 liters, depending on the specific engine variant and vehicle. Importance: using the correct oil specification and maintaining strict oil change intervals, often 20,000 kilometers or annually. But shorter intervals like 10,000 to 15,000 kilometers are often recommended by specialists for longevity. especially with heavy use or DPF, is absolutely crucial for the health and longevity of the turbocharger, DPF, and timing chain. In summary, the Renault 2.0 DCI M9R engine stands out as one of Renault's most reliable and well-regarded diesel engines. It offers excellent performance, good refinement, and impressive durability, especially when compared to its smaller DCI counterparts from earlier generations. Its use of a timing chain is a significant long-term maintenance advantage. While it shares some common diesel-specific vulnerabilities, DPF, EGR, and can suffer from injector issues, particularly in some van applications, or timing chain where at very high mileages, these are generally manageable with diligent maintenance. For those seeking a powerful and robust diesel engine in a Renault or Nissan product, the M9R is often a highly recommended choice, provided it has a comprehensive service history and has been properly cared for. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.